Hi everyone, welcome. This is Des the Meridian Healer, and in today's short video I'm going to show you how to work on the lung meridian. The lung meridian begins here, points 2 and 1 just underneath the clavicle, close to the seam of the arm. It then continues down the arm about 1/4 of an inch, leading up until the big fat muscle here on the thumb, ending here. So in essence what you're looking for is a straight line from the top of the arm to the thumb. Okay, let's go. You can use a variety of ways to really work on this muscle here. You can massage with your fingers, you can use the palm of your hand if that's easier for you, or the thumb. In Shiatsu we really use the thumbs. What you want is to really work this hard. You can breathe in and out through the mouth if you want to release the tension. Okay, now onto the arm. First we'll greet it. So just press like this so the body knows what to expect, what's coming. And then we're going to use our thumb and just press on each point 2 or 3 times. Don't worry about which point you're pressing on. I know you don't know them. It's the intention that counts. And as long as you're working towards the thumb, you really can't go wrong. Some parts are really more painful than others. That's because the energy there is blocked. You can take your time doing this. This is a great meridian to work on if you're feeling under the weather, if you have a cough or you're coming down with the cold, because it's the lung meridian. So see here, this is a wonderful point. And then you get into the bulky part of the thumb. This really helps with coughs and dry throats, so massage deeply. Okay, and we end up on the thumb. Perfect. Now we'll switch arms. We always do both sides. So again, take your fingers. Really dig into this muscle here. Can you feel that you're breathing better now? Deeper? Use the palm of your hand, the heel of the palm, if that's easier, or the thumb. Press in deeply. Circular motions, whatever works for you. The important thing is that you really get to massage and open up the meridian. Okay, now we greet the arm, remember, along the arm towards the thumb. And now we press 2 or 3 times. Stay longer where there is pain, always. We're getting to the elbow here, right on the crease of the elbow. Perhaps it's better if I just pull up my sleeve. There you go, you can see that better. Just over the bone. Onto the thumb, really pressing deep. Okay, and we're done. That's wonderful. I can breathe better, I'm more relaxed. I hope you can too. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.